Hi, and welcome back to Rems. In our previous video on web development on mobile phone, we developed the header with the hamburger lines. In this video, we are going to continue with the home page. But if this is your first time, then you should check out the previous video in the description. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe so that you get notified anytime a new video is uploaded. So let's get to it. In the HTML file, open and close the main tag under the header. In the main tag, open the first section element and give it a class home and ID also home. The ID is for navigations. Now inside the section, create a div with class home content, and inside the div, create another div and give it class text content. Now inside this div, open a paragraph tag with class text1, and inside the paragraph should be hello, my name is. And then after the paragraph, create an h2 element with class text2 and type your name in it. I will also type a name here. Then create another paragraph element with class text3 and write I am a web developer or whatever you want to write. Now let's go to the CSS file. Select the section element and give it padding 50 pixels and close it. Then select the home class, set its height to 100 view height, but you can ignore this property, and then give the background color code #F2, F6, F7 and close. And then select the home content class inside the home class, give it padding top 100 pixels and close. Let me correct the spelling here. Then run the code. And here we have our content. Let's continue with some styling. Select the text1 class, give it font size 14 pixels, font weight 500, color to #383838, and letter spacing 1.5 pixels. Let's make the class selection more precise, so add text content class before the text1. Now select text2 class inside text content class. Set font size to 40 pixels and padding to 10 pixels for top, 0 pixels for right, 20 pixels for bottom, and 0 pixels for left. And then run. This is what we got. Let's continue. Select the text3 class, set color to #5D737E, padding left to 15 pixels, border left to 1 pixel solid gray, and margin bottom to 30 pixels. Then run, and we have it. I think the description text here is too small, so let's go to the HTML file and add I am a front-end and back-end web developer. Now run, and this is cool. Now let's add the button and social media handles. After the paragraph element in the HTML, create a div with class home contact. Close it. Inside it, create a button element and give it a class of btn and put message me text in it. After the button, let's bring in the images we will use. So open the sidebar, click on these 3 dots and click on upload file. You can download these images from the link in the description below. Select them and upload. And now we have them in our project folder. Now go back and create a div with class home social and close it. Inside it, add the social media images. So add an anchor element. Leave the href attribute empty for now. You can put the specific links later. Inside the anchor tag, add the img element. And for the first element, the source is github.svg, which is the name of the GitHub image I uploaded. So we are going to do the same for Facebook, and the source is going to be facebook.svg, then Instagram .svg, and Twitter X, that's the name of the file, .svg. Then run. This is what we have for now. Go to the CSS file and select the btn class. Give color white, font weight 600, background color 7D141D, padding 10 pixels top and bottom, 20 pixels left and right, border to none, border radius to 40 pixels, and cursor be pointer. Run. And we have our button. But if you click on this button, nothing happens. Let's change that. Select btn class with hover pseudo selector like this. Set background color to none, color to #7D141D, border to 1 pixel, solid 7D141D. Let's change the background color to unset, then run. Now when we click on the button, we have this. Let's continue. Select the home contact class, set display to flex, align items to center, and gap to 20 pixels. Run, and we got this. Now let's piece out the handles. Select home contact class, then home social class, then img element. Give padding left 10 pixels and close. Now run. There we have it. Now let's insert our home image. Before the last div, create a div with class home img. Close it. Inside the div, insert the image with the img element and the source attribute to the name of the image, which is home-image.png. Then run. And we have it here. Let's add some styling to it. Select the home img class, then img element. Give it margin top 2 rem, width 250 pixels, and height 250 pixels. Now run. And now we have the home page looking cool. That is it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you wish to support us, you can do that by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.